Hi guys, in this video let's talk about how to change Bluetooth name on iPhone. And if you found it helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. So firstly, go in settings, and now we can tap on Bluetooth, turn that on and check current name of the Bluetooth. In my case, it is Emily with this pink heart. So to change it, we need to go ahead and pick General, then select About, and now find Name section on the top. If you wanna change this name, then tap on cross to erase it first and enter something else. You can also use emojis if needed. And then to save changes, tap Done button, and here it is. After that, you can just swipe up to open recents, close your settings, then open it up again, go in Bluetooth, and notice that device's name has been changed. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.